In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy tickets on Ticketek easily and efficiently. Whether you're planning to enjoy a buzzing concert, an enthralling sports event, or a captivating show, securing your tickets should be a breeze. So, grab your device, make yourself comfortable, and let's dive into the step-by-step process together. First and foremost, let's start by heading over to the Ticketek website. Open up your web browser and type in Ticketek in the address bar. Make sure you're on the official Ticketek site, which is easy to spot with its reliable branding and user-friendly interface. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page, which often showcases a variety of featured events that might spark your interest. Next, it's time to find the event you want to attend. You can use the search bar at the top of the page if you already have a specific event in mind. Just type in the event name and hit enter. Alternatively, you can explore using the event categories or by browsing through the lists of popular events. This is a great way to discover new experiences, from exciting performances to the latest sports matches. Once you've found your event, click on it to go to the event page. Here, you'll see important details about the event, like the date, time, venue, and any available seating options. Take a moment to review the event information carefully to make sure it fits into your schedule and matches your preferences. Now, let's move on to selecting your tickets. On the event page, you'll usually find a button that says Buy Tickets or something similar. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the seating map or seating plan. This is a map of the venue that lets you see the available sections and seats. Some venues offer general admission, while others have reserved seating, so check carefully before proceeding. Pick the section you prefer, and select the number of tickets you want. Be mindful to double-check the price and any additional fees that may be applied. With your selections made, it's time to proceed to checkout. Here, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Ticketek account. If you don't have an account yet, the process to create one is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. In the checkout area, you'll need to confirm your ticket choices and enter your payment information. Ticketek accepts various payment methods, so choose the one that suits you best. After entering your details, take a moment to review your purchase. Ensure all information is correct, such as the event date, number of tickets, and seating choices. Finally, hit Confirm Purchase and voila! Your transaction should be complete. Shortly after, you'll receive a confirmation email with all the details about your tickets and how to access them, whether it's via mobile, print at home, or pick up at the venue. There you have it! You've successfully learned how to buy tickets on Ticketek confidently and effortlessly. Remember, planning ahead is key to getting the best seats and prices, so enjoy your event and have a wonderful time creating unforgettable memories.